Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID verification code not received. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Apple ID verification code isn't received, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go to your settings, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you just have to go back, go to software update, and you have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any pending updates for your software. If you find, just try to update your software. Once you update it, simply go back from here. Now you just have to go ahead to your apps section, then go to messages app here, and here just look for messages, and you just have to make sure that your notification for your messages app is enabled. So you can also do the setting for your notification setting, or you can easily enable from here. Just go to notifications, and you have to make sure that all the toggles and all those features of notifications are enabled for your messages app. Once you have checked, just simply go back from here, and here you just have to go back, and you have to try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix any glitch. So sometimes there will be any glitch in your iPhone software or your iPhone system, so it will be fixed in this step. Not true that you have to quickly press and raise your volume up and then volume down, the press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's the very best way. You have to go to settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings when a confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. So after that, your issue will be fixed, because sometimes there will be an issue with your iPhone network setting in receiving a message. So you just have to reset your network settings to fix the issue. And once you have reset it, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you still not fixed your issues, there's the only way. Just go to your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Here, just select iPhone and then select this More option. Here, you have to select any option relating to your issue. Let's say I'm gonna select iTunes Store here, and here just wait for this loading. Then select this Get More Help option, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get helpful help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.